What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Flash from season 7. Let's get started in the center of our page with the inside edge of the mask. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up. And then we'll bend that out. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Going up and then bending that out. And then we'll curl up the inside of the brow. Starting on the left, curve in and bend that up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's connect the outside to the inside with a large half circle. We're going to start on the outside, curve this around, down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up. Now we want to pull the eyes towards the inside edge of the mask. Starting from the top left, just going to draw a circle, going all the way around, and then just tuck that in on the inside. Let's line this up on the right, going around, out, and then up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, draw in a circle. Let's line this up on the right. I'm just going to tuck this up along the top. Let's draw another small circle in the center of the eye for the pupil, starting underneath the highlight. So we go all the way around and back out. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start on the left, curve the nose, coming down, and then bend that up. Now we're going to step down, draw another curve from the left, coming down, and then up for the mouth. And we'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's move back to the center, step down, draw a short curve for the lower lip. Let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, we're going to draw a large half circle. Come down toward the bottom, just underneath the mouth. Go out and back up on the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the head. We're going to start out here, bump out the side of the head, go up and then in. Round out the head, come out towards the right, down, and then in. Now we're going to go back and draw the inside edge of the mask. Starting on the left side of the nose, curve up the middle, and then back down. And then from the ends, curve this out, and then down towards the side. Curve out, and then up. Now we're going to bring this back down towards the middle. Starting back on the left, follow the same curve of the head, in, and we'll close out the chin piece. Starting on the left, go up towards the lip, and then back down. Let's move out to the side and add in the ear covers. From the side of the head, we'll step up, curve this out, and then back in. Line this up on the right. And then we'll add in the bolt. Starting from the side of the curve, we go out, and then hook that in. Let's taper this back in. Come straight down, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to go back and add some detail to the mask. Starting from the inside edge of the left brow, curve out, and then up, and mirror this on the right side. From the top, curve out and then down, and we'll curve this out and up toward the top of the head. Now we want to trace the same trim along the outside, stepping out, so leave an even space gap coming in, and then back down towards the bottom. Let's go to the top corner of the eyes, draw a curve going out and then up. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out and then down towards the same height. Now let's draw on the bottom edge of the belt. Starting on the left, draw a straight angled line coming down and in on either side. Angle up and out with a short line. Now I'm going to pull this down and in towards a center point. Let's duplicate this along the top. Starting on the left, come down and in, go up and out, and we'll pull that back down and in towards the middle. Now we're going to move to the center of the body and add that flash symbol. Starting from the top right, angle down and out, go straight across, come down and out. Now we're going to go back up to the top, come down along the right side, go out, and come down toward that bottom point. Let's layer a circle in behind the lightning bolt. Starting from the top, we'll step down, just tuck this in along the left side, and continue on the right. Now we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. Starting from that center point, we're going to step down and add a curve from left to right, going up and then down, and then leaving a small gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left side, curve the foot coming down and then up. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we're going to draw a half circle, going up, and then aiming towards the heel, and leave a gap on the inside. Let's go back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Starting from the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across towards the heel. Let's move up and draw the top edge of the boot cup. Starting from the outside, start with a short angle line coming down and in. Line this up on the inside, come in. Now from here, we're just going to curve this up and in towards the center point. Bending that in towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we want to trace this trim along the top, starting with the sides, and then curving up towards the middle. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arm. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now from the left side, we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then we'll close off the end with a bracket. And now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around the bracket, step down, curve out, and then up. And then the third finger will go out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's draw on the edge of the glove. Starting from the outside, curve this in and then down. Line this up on the right. And then halfway along this curve, we're going to go up and out, leaving a gap on the outside. Come straight in with a short line. Curve up and out. Let's add that trim across the side of the body. Starting on the left, step down, angle down and in, line this up on the right, and it'll come down and in on top of the belt. Let's go back to the outside, step in, angle up and in, angle up and out, just on top of the body, and then from the top, go across and then bend that down towards the side of the arm, And that's pretty much it. There's Flash from Season 7. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.